Good evening, everyone. So I am here to solve your question number 2.3 of NCERT, right? So let us read once question what they are asking. A woman starts from her home at 9 a.m. and walk with the speed of 5 km per hour on a straight road up to her office 2.5 km, and stays at the office up to 5 p.m. and returns home by an auto with the speed of 25 km per hour. Choose a suitable scale and plot x and t graph for her motion. So try to understand here what they are asking. A woman has home here and it is your office, right? She travels by walking and start walking at 9 a.m. and reach the office. So walking speed is how much? Walking speed is your 5 km per hour. Okay, and the distance between this home and office is 2.5 km, right? Now again she returns from office to home at a speed of 25 km per hour by auto. Okay, so up to 5 p.m. she stays at the office. After that she returns at a home. So we need to draw or plot the graph. So let us plot the graph. So this is your straight line, right? And this is in this axis we will go for a time t, and in this axis we will go for displacement x, right? So if I will plot this, so let us consider that this is your 0 0 0. So if she start walking from home, so can we write here from starting point time is your 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. So let us, this is your 10 a.m. Let us, this is 11 a.m. Like this we have increased. Okay, now position is your, this is your position 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So see here, total distance, so 0.5 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 2.5 kilometer, this is your 3 kilometer, right? So x is in kilometer and time is in hour, like this. Okay, so now let us consider, this is here, it is your up to 5 p.m, right? This is the 5 p.m. Now let us draw. Before drawing, we should understand that when she will reach the office. So to find this, the time to reach the office is equal to velocity by time to reach the office is your distance by velocity. So what is the distance of is your 2.5 kilometer, and what is the velocity? Velocity is your 5 kilometer per hour. So you will get how much? 2.5 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 2 hour. So 1 by 2 hour means what? When she start 9, so she will reach at 9:30. She will reach at 9:30 at which distance? 2.5 kilometer. I hope you have understood now. Now we need to draw at first the graph. So let us, I have drawn this like this. Okay. Now from this 9:30, from after 9:30 what happens? See, this is your 9:30, right? This is your 9:30. Okay, after 9:30 what happens? After 9:30 up to 5 we need she will be at a rest because she is in the office. So this is up to 5 p.m. After that what happens? After that she starts coming back at a home. So time required for home is equal to distance by velocity, but she returned home by auto. So distance is how much? Distance is 2.5 kilometer divided by velocity of auto is 25. So from here we can say that this is your 1 by 10 hour. So 1 by 10 hour means what? 6 minutes, within 6 minutes. So can we plot this, that 5 at 5 5:06 p.m. she will arrive at the home. So can we draw like this? So this is the drawing. So she start from home. She start at 9 and reaches at 9:30, and after that she is at rest, and after that she return back with the auto. So in this way we can draw the graph, and finally you will able to plot the graph. So this is your graph. I hope you have understood now. Thank you.